Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add row to a table in Word. So guys, it's very easy to add this. So firstly you see here I will insert one table. So I need to row to a table, I need to add it. So firstly I need to select this table and right click on it. In here you see this insert. So just hover the cursor it on insert row below. You see here, just click on it. And second way is table layout. And here you see this insert below. So you see here, this will be very easily insert. So this way you can very easily insert or add. And third way is, and third one is click on table outside. You see here, just click here and press enter key. So you see here, you can very easily add. Just click here this table outside and press enter. So this way you can very easily add row in to a table in Word. So guys, it's very easy to add. So thanks for watching.